Okay, there's our first dandelion bloom that I'm seeing. May 3rd, 2017. Okay, so this is where we're going. This creek pathway. I've come here later in the summer, and if you come early in the morning, there'll be all kinds of deer in here. There's deers that go into the backyards over here and in behind the trees. I think there's kind of a laneway back there. You'll see all kinds of marsh birds and rabbits and mostly deer. Lots of deer in here in the early morning. This is pretty low this year. It's a culvert, a runoff. The water can get fairly high. See where the mud line is? Water's been up to that high, but so far it's been a dry winter and a dry spring. So let's go for a little walk and see what we find. And this beautiful robin. There he is. I'm only about 10 feet away from this bird. You can hear him, he's having a conversation with one that's a little further away. Sing one more time. What a beauty. Just black as night. We're gonna move on here now. Bella's getting a little impatient. What a beautiful, beautiful bird. Let's go see what else we can find. Canadian flag blowing in the wind. Happy spring. Here we've got some mallards. Look, they're in here. The danger, keep off. Go the rabbits again. See, maybe we can stir them up. There they go. Just back and forwards. I'm assuming these are probably the same ones that ran back the other way. That's the second time they've come around this way. There's 3 or 4 of them there. Oh, look at this guy. Wonder if the others are gonna follow. That's 5 of them I'm counting now. So there's 4 of them there. It's like they want to be here, but they're not sure what to do. Or maybe they're just playing. Maybe they're not afraid of us. Wow. Getting some great wildlife footage here today. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There they go. They can really move, can't they? I think we'll come and have a sit here. I think Bella, oh, there they go. I think Bella wants a drink of water. And here we've got not a red-winged blackbird. Oh, he's blue. Got a beautiful blue sheen to him. I'll have to look and see what kind of bird he is. Oh wow, look, there's a whole pile of them here. Let's see if we can get them singing without tons of traffic. Oh. There we go, we got some more rabbits. Holy cow. I think maybe we got a rabbit problem. They are